In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project in Claude AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each field means, and a few simple tips to keep your work organized from the start. First, open Claude in your browser and sign in at Claude AI. On the left side of the screen, look for the Projects tab in the sidebar. If you want to jump straight there, you can also navigate directly to Claude AI projects. This area is your hub for grouping related conversations, files, and ideas, so it's the best place to keep longer efforts tidy and easy to find later. Once you're on the projects page, click the button labeled Plus New Project. You'll usually see it in the top right corner. This opens a small window or panel where you'll set up the basics. Next, give your project a clear, descriptive name. Think in terms of how you'll search for it later, using keywords like the client, topic, or outcome. You can optionally add a description as well. This is just for your reference and helps you remember the scope or goals at a glance. It won't change how Claude responds. Consider noting timelines, links, or a short summary of what you plan to do so you and your teammates stay aligned. If your account is on a team or enterprise plan, you may see a visibility setting. Here you can choose whether the project is private to you or shared with others in your organization. Private is great for early drafts or sensitive work. Shared is perfect when multiple people will contribute prompts, review outputs, or add notes. Pick the option that matches how you plan to collaborate, and remember, you can adjust it later if your needs change. With those details set, create the project and open it. Inside, start new chats within the project rather than in the general chat area. This is important because Claude keeps the context within each project, which helps provide more consistent, relevant answers across related conversations. For example, you might keep research, outlines, and final drafts as separate chats in the same project, so everything stays organized but connected. If a topic needs its own thread, just create another chat inside the project instead of starting from scratch elsewhere. That's it. You've created a project, named it clearly, set the right visibility, and started working within it. Keep related work together, and you'll save time, avoid repetition, and make collaboration smoother. Thanks for watching, and happy building in Claude AI.